After reading so many amazing reviews about the turmeric scrub, I finally decided to give it a try. I firstly tried the turmeric facial mask, which I'll pop a link here so you guys can go check it out after this video. And yeah, I really loved that one, so I decided to give the scrub a try as well. So I used this for 3 days. Stay with me throughout this journey and find out if it really did work for me or not. Welcome to the skincare and beauty channel. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Please join this community by subscribing and also turn on the post notification button. Also, everyone should please like this video, leave a comment and share to people who would be interested in this. We also have quality hair we sell on our website, from hair bundles, closures, frontals, eyelashes and wigs you should be using on yourself. So do visit our website right after this video and shop all your quality hair. I promise you that delivery is really fast and the payments are very much secured. You might also be interested in following me on other social media platforms. My Instagram is Alizia and I've got a links to other platforms as well in the description section. Let's now talk about the benefits of using turmeric scrub. And firstly, it's got anti-aging properties in there. So what that means is it makes your skin firmer and it makes it look younger as well. And also it helps to reduce the signs of wrinkles and aging. So it helps to then rejuvenate the skin, makes it looking smoother, glowing, and overall the appearance just looks younger. The next thing is that it's got anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties in there, and what these two does, it helps to brighten your skin. So it makes the skin brighter and it makes it glow. So it's just to improve the general appearance of the skin, and yes, that's what the turmeric scrub does. It also helps to target dark pigmented areas on your skin. So an example will be dark circles on the face, also dark scars left by acne or any sort of bites, maybe like mosquito bites. So just any sort of dark areas, even with dark knuckles, knees, etc. It helps to tackle these areas as well. The final benefit I found out this turmeric scrub does is that it helps to remove hair. So it helps with hair removal. To be honest, I'm not sure how this works. So if you're watching me and you've tried this before and it worked for you, it would be great to give us more insight about this in the comment section. Let's start making it. So firstly, you need a bowl and then turmeric powder. This scrub I'm making will last me for 2 weeks. I use it 3 times in a week. So when I'm making it, I take 4 tablespoons of the turmeric. Now bear in mind, if you're going to use it for more than 2 weeks, then you obviously should double things up. So yeah, that's me on my 3rd tablespoon, and then this is the 4th one. Next, I put in my sugar. You can use any type of sugar you want, but preferably I want the brown sugar. And it's just cause the granules are more separated when I mix the scrub. With the white sugar, it tends to kind of stick together, which I don't want that. I love my scrub separated. So yeah, when you put it in, you want to mix both the brown sugar and the turmeric together. So you mix them up, and once you're happy it's all mixed up properly, you then move on to the next step. Okay, so that's it ready now. Next, we'll put in our vitamin E. You can use any type. Today I'm using the capsules, and I'm using 4 of these capsules. Yours might come in a bottle, serum like, so you put just 4 drops in there, or per which quantity you're making, you might want to work the maths and double up the quantity. Like I've said from the beginning, this scrub I'm making just now is to last me for 2 weeks and is to use 3 days in a week. So next, I put in avocado oil. I'll just leave a link up here how I made this avocado oil. But yeah, it's really great for the skin. So that's what I'm putting in today. And all I'll need is just 1 tablespoon of this. I tend to mix it up with a fork as I find it easier and quicker. So you mix it up like so. Whilst you're stirring it, you want to also crush it down as well so that you don't have lumps in it. The granules get separated. And then that way it means when you're exfoliating, it will be effective. I also put in lemon juice. It was a teaspoon of it I used, so remember to add that as well. I did it off camera as my phone went dead. So yeah, please remember to add a teaspoon of lemon juice to your scrub. Right, so that's me happy with the consistency. I love how it turned out, just the way I wanted. So now we'll just transfer it into a container we want. I bought this from Poundland in the UK, but feel free to use any container of your choice. My container is really small, so I grabbed a teaspoon, and yeah, I just dish it into the container like so. You want to be very, very careful so you don't spill the scrub, as the turmeric does stain. It can be really difficult getting it off. So just be careful with that. After everything has been scooped into your preferred container, remember to close it with a lid and keep it in a cool, dry place. Turmeric has anti-aging properties to look young. Brown sugar helps to remove dead skin through exfoliation. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant to reduce UV damage of the skin. Avocado helps to nourish the skin and reduce the signs of aging. And finally, lemon has brightening effects to make the skin glow. This is the first day I'm applying the turmeric. I first wash my face, and yeah, if you followed me for some time, you know I love this simple micellar face wash. I do that thoroughly, and once I'm happy and I've dried my face, I go ahead to apply the turmeric. So you apply it in sections on your face, and then whilst you're applying, you move your fingers in a circular motion like so. Please bear in mind it does stain the fingers, so if you have gloves, please use that. So that is day one done. I'm going to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, then take my shower, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the second day and yeah, we're just going to repeat the same process. So I've prepped my face by washing it off like what I did the first day, and then I just go straight into applying the turmeric. So like I said, do it in sections at the area. In my case, I'm using on my face, and yeah, you rub it in a circular motion like so, and then you just keep going till you cover all the areas you want to target. The turmeric is so pigmented, guys. See this? I've literally washed it off, but it's still stained, so I'll try washing it off with soap. So it's still stained. Right, so I'm gonna wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads. This is my final day. You guys should remember, as usual, wash your face first before you apply the turmeric. So that's me basically showing you the proof that it does stain your fingers. So use a gloves. Like I said, unfortunately, I didn't have gloves at home, so that's why I used my bare hands. But yeah, please, if you don't want to stain it, use gloves. Right, so that's me all done trying the scrub, and this is me before using it. And this is the after results. My skin is glowing. The scars have been cleared. My under eye is also clear. I look amazing. Right, so the first difficulty I encountered with using the scrub is that it's really difficult to get the whole pigment or the stain or the yellowish pigmented color of your skin. So if you are just thinking of washing it off and then going about your day, it might not work that way. So what I normally do is I just go straight into the shower, wash it off with soap and water with my sponge will help to exfoliate, and that way you're sure that you get all the turmeric scrub off your face. So yeah, do it that way, and that will be the most effective way to get it off your face. The next thing you might experience, you might not like, is the fact that it stains your hands and especially your nails. If you have got your nails done, the most likely it will stain it and ruin it for you, and you wouldn't want that. Another thing I noticed when applying the scrub is that it has a really strong smell. That's the turmeric, but it's not so unbearable and so off-putting. But yeah, if maybe you have asthma, then it might be problematic for you, but it's not generally an unbearable smell that you just can't use the product at all. Finally, if you've got an acne-prone skin, in as much as it's a scrub and the purpose is to also help unclog your pores. It might trigger acne for some people. It's rather unfortunate that's the case, but in some people or rare cases they might experience acne breakouts. So watch out for that. If that is you, just discontinue use right away and find something else that will work for your dark area. This scrub is not a permanent fix to your skincare issues or your dark area, so you literally need to imbibe it into your weekly skincare routine. You want to make sure you are using it at least 3 times every week to get the results you want and to also maintain the results as well. So it's rather unfortunate, guys, it's not a permanent fix. However, if you keep doing this every week, then you're guaranteed that your dark area or whichever area you're treating will maintain the results that you attained for it. The next thing you want to make sure you do is to keep this product in a cool, dry place, preferably in the fridge. If you are in a temperate area where it's super sunny, then please keep it in the fridge, because sometimes the especially the sugar having mixed with the oil might melt. So in order to avoid that, just keep it in the fridge. But if you're in colder areas like where I am based in Scotland, then yeah, you can just keep it in a cool, dry place and that should do for it. This is the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts when you give this scrub a try, especially if you had any sort of downsides. It will be really interesting to share with ourselves. But generally, people have had great results, including myself, so I am sure it will work brilliantly for you. Thanks so much, guys, for all the support you've given me. And if you've watched this video till this time and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, join this community, and yes, I'll see you in my next video.